Hello everyone. This video is to assist you in opening your week 2 lab. So here from the main page, the home page, you'll go to your left panel, select week 2, scroll down to week 2 lab and click on your week 2 lab Word document and the attached file for the executable software. Upon doing that, you'll open your Word document and you'll see this document open, giving you instruction how to download the executable. And when you do, you'll have your folder in your file. You go on the mechanical measurements, double click on it. It will open to this window. See where it has the chapter 2. Click on it and it gives you instruction about the sound from the microphone and the waveform. And so you can follow the instructions and Siri, look, as I made that loud voice, you see all of that instruction of what's happening. To end this page, you press stop. To come out of the software, you press back. And to close out of the software, you press exit, which will take you back to your regular pages, right? Where you have the Word document and so forth. So that's how you access week 2 information for the lab. Okay? If you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you.